everyone, my name is Sanskriti Singh. Today I'm going to sing a song just like you. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrada, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Jaspinder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. My name is Bindiya, I'm from India. I speak Hindi, but I'm just like you. But I'm just like you. But I'm just like you.